Birds. In a way, they are free. Limited by the wind and their flag. They fly holding stories that do not fit in a passport. Dreams that do not understand borders. And they seem happier being that way. As with life, there are many species. Some fly together, while others learn to fly alone. Deep down, they wish they were social. But they are not always alone. Sometimes, they have someone to go along with.
How's your family?
We were pretty good.
Yeah?
Things, yeah.
Yeah. This whole deportation thing is kinda rough.
I know, man. A lot of like things going on here.
Yeah. We're doing good, by the way. My family, yeah, we're doing pretty good. It's kinda boring for us being here and alone. There's nothing to do. It was pretty much fun, and we were from.
Sometimes they are rejected by their own flock. Sometimes they reject themselves, afraid they do not belong to any sky. But when winter comes, the bird has no choice but to flee. Not because it wants to, but because staying
Not here.
That's not.
means disappearing.
Tú cerca.
You're late. Yo, you should have been here by now, bro. Come on.
I'm so sorry. It's just this police thing, yeah. It's okay. We're gonna go.
American.
And even though the bird is exhausted, it still flies. Tired wings and the noisy silent hope that the sky will stop asking where it comes from and simply allow it to exist. In search of a place where they can rest without fear.
Hijo,
¿Dónde?
nos vamos a Estados Unidos. Prepara tus cosas.
¿Por qué? ¿Qué pasó?
Empaca tus cosas. Nos vamos.
¿Qué? ¿Por qué? ¿Qué? But the bird will never rest. It can only adapt and hope that everything's gonna be okay.